Hey everyone! Well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down 11 labs pricing in 2025, what each plan offers, and which one might be the best fit depending on your content needs. If you want to save time and money while using AI voice tools, stick around. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more AI tutorials and reviews. Let's start with the free plan. This plan gives you a limited number of credits per month, enough to test out the platform and experiment with short scripts. It's perfect if you're just starting out or want to see how AI voice generation works before committing to a paid plan. The only catch is that you can't use it for commercial purposes, so it's mostly for personal projects or experimentation. Next up is the starter plan, which is ideal for hobbyists or creators producing occasional content. With this plan, you get more credits, commercial licensing, and access to features like instant voice cloning. This makes it a great choice if you're making YouTube videos, social media content, or small podcasts and want a professional sounding voice without a huge investment. Moving to the creator plan. This is probably the sweet spot for most regular content creators. It provides significantly more credits per month, higher quality audio, professional voice cloning, and extra flexibility in the voice customization. If you're producing weekly YouTube videos, regular podcasts, or online courses, this plan offers a good balance between cost and output. For heavier users, there's the Pro plan, which is suited for creators or small studios producing large amounts of audio. It gives you hundreds of thousands of credits per month, access to high quality output, and more advanced features. This plan is great if you have multiple projects or long-form content that requires consistent voiceovers. Finally, there are scale, business, and enterprise plans, which are aimed at teams, agencies, or businesses that need a massive volume of audio, multiple professional voices, and collaboration features. These plans are perfect for studios, companies, or professional content teams that need reliable, scalable solutions for high output production. A few things to keep in mind. The number of credits determines how much speech you can generate, and higher quality voices or longer scripts will use more credits. Free plans don't include commercial licensing, and exceeding your monthly credits may require upgrading to a higher tier. In short, 11 Labs has pricing options for everyone, from beginners who want to experiment to creators who need regular high quality output, all the way to businesses and teams requiring large-scale production. Choosing the right plan depends on your content goals, output needs, and budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other creators, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.